Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Nissan Juke guys and you need to remove and replace your key fob battery, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. You see a BMW here because we're working on this one. Nissan is outside, but this is the key guys. You may have the one with 3 or 4 buttons. Procedure will be the same to remove and replace the key fob battery. So make sure you stay until the end guys. Another thing guys, if you need to buy a replacement battery, we'll have the link and the part number in the description of the video below and you can see the battery number, so check it out. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, we take them completely apart, we show you pretty much how to fix anything. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Now let me show you guys. Okay, this is the key fob remote that I'm talking about. Okay, let me just grab the camera and I'll explain more about that in a little bit. You may have the one with 3 or 4 buttons guys, but all of them will be the same. If you have that shape key remote, the procedure will be the same. So what needs to be done now to remove and replace that battery? Pretty simple guys. Okay, you need to twist it on the other side. Okay, and you know when your battery dies on the remote and you cannot unlock the car, you can use the manual key, and to replace the battery you need to release that key anyways. So right here, okay, you come, slide that thing out, hold it like that and pull the key out. Okay, you can see, pretty simple, right? That's great. Now what else we need to do guys? If you come on the side, usually right here there is one place, okay, where you can pry a little bit with a screwdriver, and you're going to separate the two halves, okay, just like that. And that's where guys the electronics for your remote is. This is where the battery is. It's very important how you install it. Okay, so I'll go ahead, pop it out. So let me go ahead and remove it. Perfect. And I get the new one. Okay, and we install it the same way guys. And it's important to go here in an angle under, okay, to contact that plate right here, because that's the positive terminal. And once you're ready with that guys, okay, what you're going to do, you're going to align everything really good. Okay, make sure that it aligns, and inspect to make sure you don't have dust or anything like that around the seal here, so it can close good guys, and it's not going to get any humidity and moisture, because otherwise that can damage your key fob. So that's it. Now all we have to do, go ahead and plug the key in. If you guys need help with anything else, just let us know. We are here guys to help you as much as we can. That's how we get the ideas of the videos. If you want to see any specific video, leave a comment below in the description of the video guys, and we'll try to make that video in the near future. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.